Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very quick demo of the Chrome extension called Solthron. So as you can see, this is the yellow icon that appears. And when you click on it, you would see a small container, a very compact container. And it has different features as well. But in this video, I'm going to talk about workflows. Now, why am I specifically talking about that? It's just because any heavy ChatGPT user might have come across this problem where they have to copy paste or type in the same prompts again and again. Like we know that what would be a prompt one, and after that what would be a prompt two. So one of the most basic example is whenever we do content writing or we are drafting an email, we know the chain, like we know the flow. Like after this we're gonna put in this prompt, and after that output we're gonna put that prompt. So basically it was a repetitive process and it was very frustrating. So that is why I came across this idea. What if we just have to do it one time, just feed the prompts into the system one time, and then you can just push a play button or press a play button, and then it's being done all automatically. So what I said, I'll just show it to you what I mean by that. You just have to click this icon. I call this gallery icon. You go on workflows, you go on custom. All right. So for now, I'll just keep it simple to show it out to you guys. On what I meant is automating the prompts. So when I select this, you just have to select run over here. All right, you can see the prompt has automatically appeared over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press enter for the first time, and the next prompts would come in automatically. So I won't be doing anything over here, not pressing anything. Once the first output comes, you can see the second prompt will come in automatically. Here you go. Here you see. All right, yes. Now the third prompt will come in. Yep. You see, like this all happened, and I could have just gone around, grab a coffee, and I would have gotten the similar output. So now, how do you create workflows? Because I know that you guys might also have your own documents where you might have stored hundreds of prompts to write blog articles, social media content, draft emails, XYZ stuff. So that's why there are two ways where you can create the workflows from Solthron. One is by okay, first you need to press this plus icon over here. And when you see, sorry, there are two options: generate with AI, add manually. In this video, I'm going to talk about add manually. Now, let's go very simple. I'll just go in with story. I'm just gonna write a short story about AI. Okay, so now this initiates the creation of a workflow, and this would be the first prompt. Now you come in this folder. You can see what I have just created over here. Now, when I want to add like next prompts after it, you have to just click on add step two prompt. So what would be my step two prompt? I'm gonna just say make it funny. This would be my step two prompt. Now, if I want to also be smart enough, if I'm doing content writing, so what I'm going to also do, I'm going to also put in a prompt where I tell ChatGPT to utilize its research mode or XYZ. Like, I'll just show an example. Okay, so the story that you've given me, can you check on Reddit or the internet if people would like to read it? Yep, here we go. So here's the cool part. Now I've given all the prompts that I believe would be important for my story. I'm keeping it simple for the sake of the video, but you understand, right? You can just be very specific, very detailed out, and do whatever you feel is good for creating your own stuff via this. And once it's created, all you have to do is go on new chat, run this. So first prompt requires you to press the enter button. Once that's done, you can see now it's writing a short story. Now the second prompt that I just given in, it's like make it funny, yeah, correct. Now, yes, the magic is now the third prompt will come in where it will actually tell ChatGPT to confirm if people would like to read it or no. And this is all happening while I'm not doing anything. All right, so it has told me that it cannot directly check with it. Okay, cool. That's enough. Fair. Okay, but it is still debating with itself to think whether if the story would fit in or no. So I mean, you guys can be creative over here. You guys know what prompts work best. You guys can literally experiment with it. And the coolest part of this feature is that you don't have to do anything. You just have to set one time, create that flow, then that's it. Then you can just grab a coffee, go for a walk. I mean, I don't know whether if you would create that long workflows or no, but yeah, the whole point is that it would just reduce that repetitive time that we've been investing so much. So hope this feature helps you guys. You can go and download the Chrome extension from the Google Chrome store, and just tell me if it works, if it is helping, if anything required. All right, thank you.